Hello friends, welcome to our channel Hair Zone Solution. Are you tired of dealing with frizzy hair and annoying breakages? Look no further. Introducing the game-changing solution you have been waiting for, ThriveCo Hair Healing Shampoo. In this video, we dive deep into the magic of this incredible shampoo that brings together cutting-edge Hyaplex hair bonding technology, intense moisture infusion, and remarkable frizz reduction, all in a single bottle. Frizz reduction. Say goodbye to unruly hair days. Our ThriveCo shampoo is designed to tame frizz and keep your hair looking sleek and smooth. Hyaplex Hair Bonding Tech. Experience the next level of hair care. Our unique Hyaplex technology strengthens and rejuvenates each strand, promoting healthier hair growth. High moisture and hydration. Dry, lackluster hair? Not anymore. Our shampoo provides deep hydration, leaving your locks incredibly soft and revitalized. Suitable for all, whether you are a man or a woman, ThriveCo Hair Healing Shampoo is here for you. Embrace the journey to healthier, more vibrant hair together. Sulphate and Paraben-Free. We care about your hair's health. That's why our shampoo is free from harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens. Ready to transform your hair care routine? Dive into this video as we walk you through the amazing benefits of ThriveCo Hair Healing Shampoo. Get ready to achieve the hair of your dreams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Hair Zone Solution for more amazing hair care tips and product reviews.